Are you guys ready to see the final look? My bed's not made, so ignore that. But if I turn, you'll see it in the mirror. So, yeah. Once again, I'm yawning on camera, but let me turn this around and you guys can see. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through how I did my little splashback, just DIY. It was super easy, not super easy, but like easy enough, and pretty cheap compared to what you can normally get. So enjoy, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this side of the wall today, and then we're gonna do the rest on the weekend, I think, but this is just it's a wall. Congratulations. Yeah, I've wiped it down with a microfiber towel just to get any dust away. It doesn't really need to be like fully deep cleaned, I don't think, because it hasn't been used that much. So I'm just gonna get the tiles out and line them up and maybe get started on placement, and then we'll figure it out from there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get a piece of paper, because I've come across my little outlets. So what I'm going to do is get some tape and tape it nice and neat to the bottom so it's nice and flush with the lines. And I'm going to do it at the top so it's all in line with my tiles. And then I can fold and score my pen along here. And now I need to go find myself a Stanley knife. Okay, I can't find a Stanley knife, so I'm just going to use a good old pair of scissors. Don't do this if you're me. I'm just going to run the scissors. And as you can see here, I'm going to do the same with the bottom. Need some more sticker tape. So that I have a full stencil on where to go. So we've got our first stencil. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for this one as well. And what I'm going to do is put the tile over. So I have my ruler, which has no measurements on it, but I'm just going to trace within the lines. No, it's unnecessary because I know which one's the top. And now I'm going to get myself a cutting board. Where do I keep my cutting boards? I'm going to pop something on, and I'm going to use a knife because I don't have a Stanley knife. And I'm just going to very carefully cut this. Okay, so I've cut everything out and lined it all up. Now I just need to get this distance measured and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is use a tape measure. If I can get it open with one hand. Oh my gosh, here we go. So, oh, if you guys can see, it's about 21 centimeters from the top to the bottom. And I'm going to just do the same stencil technique sort of thing with the piece of paper and get that all up. Oh, actually, this fits really well. I'm going to just use the piece of paper as a stencil to do it, because it does. It fits. Oh. Okay, so I've turned my camera around because I cannot be bothered to trust that it's actually going to work when I do it. So I'm just gonna like, you want to go down? There we go. Okay, if you see my skirt, don't add it because I made it and it looks like crap, so that's why. Anyway, I've planned everything and now I'm going to put up my tiles. So it's very easy. I've just numbered, you can see, so that's a 1. I've numbered my tiles and then I'm going to stick them on. Apparently this is supposed to be super simple. You just peel the back off and stick it on. So and then there's a protective film that you take off. And we're basically going to do that the whole way around. I'll see you soon. Okay, so you probably saw where I stuffed up around here, and I have now a lovely paint covered side of one, but I'm going to, because I've got this side, so I might cut it up and try and fill in these spaces here. So I'm going to use it because why not? Yeah, but I think it looks so good at the moment. I'm very happy with how it's looking. It is a bit tricky because the pieces are so big, so I think I would, maybe if I were to do it again, I'd cut them up into individual pieces and then stick them on, but you know, came on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of that. I'm just going to use some like leftover bits to do the upside here, and I'm also going to cut up some more because I've got some more packets because they're quite big, right? But it comes down to like $5 per sheet because there's 5 in each pack and it's 25 per pack. But yeah, and while I'm here, I'm gonna put these back on and make them really cute. Don't know why I've got this little red sticker on it, but you know, whatever. Looking so cute. So I'm gonna finish up and I'm gonna do the other side as well, and I'm gonna show you the final product. Are you guys ready to see the final look? My bed's not made, so ignore that, but if I turn you'll see it in the mirror. So yeah, once again I'm yawning on camera, but let me turn this around and you guys can see. Cool. I'm gonna turn around so you get a better view. Look at it. I just think it looks really, like, I'm really happy with it. How cool. And it's just from Kmart. Like, I did it all by myself. Easy weekend project. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you think it looks as good as I think it does. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want to see anything else that I can do to spruce up my little area. But yeah, I think this looks really good. It's much better than the just the plain plasterboard. So yeah. So I'm really glad if you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this content, make sure you click the like button down below. It helps me to know what you guys are liking, what you guys aren't liking. I'm going to try and get back onto YouTube. My semester for university is coming to a close. So we're going to be a little bit more active, but yeah. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.